In this video, I will show you how to send money from Europe to Canada. So to do this, personally I recommend using Remitly, and I've used it quite a lot before as well. So you can just go and download the app or open up their website, and then from here just choose which country you're from. You can see they have pretty much every single country in Europe, so just select whichever one you are from. For me it's the Netherlands, and then where it says to, just select Canada right here, so you can search for it. And then once it's set to your country, to Canada, you can select how much you want to transfer right here. For example, 70 euros. And on your first transfer, you don't have to pay any fees. So just click on get this rate. And then from here, if you don't have an account yet, just gonna click on sign up, and it should only take 1 or 2 minutes. Now I already have one, so I'll just sign into my account. Then from here, for me it was reset to Nepal, so if that's the case for you as well, just click on whatever it says right there and search for Canada and click on it. Then from here, click send money. And then here again, just enter how much you want to transfer and then click continue. Then choose how you want the money to be delivered to your recipient in Canada. I'll go with a bank deposit. Then here just pick whichever bank they use. If you also picked a bank deposit, if it's not in the list of popular banks, you can just click right here and then you will see a bunch more. But I'll go with TD Bank. And then from here, enter their account number and transit number and click continue. And then there will be some more details that you may need to enter, such as your recipient's name, and if it's your first transfer, also some details about yourself and how you want to pay for the transfer. And then eventually you will get an overview of all the details. Make sure it's all correct, and if it is, then just confirm it and pay for it, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Canada. So now you know how to send money from Europe to Canada. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.